This is the trigger, and it may look a little odd, but let me show you how it works and how much time it will save you the next time you need to install wire into split loom or Tifco's armor sleeve. To use the trigger, rotate the orange barrel to line up the slots. Then, insert your bundle of wires, hose, or tubing. Once you've loaded the trigger, rotate the barrel again to keep everything in place. The next step is to insert the angled orange portion of the trigger into the split loom. Then, simply slide the tool through the loom and your wire will easily and smoothly be laid inside. At the end of the run, rotate the barrel again to free the tool. Finish by running your hand over the length of the installation to smooth out any imperfections. You saw how quickly and easily the trigger worked. It is so much faster than manually opening split loom and only being able to load a portion at a time or trying to fish wire through. Installing a bundle of wire, tubing, or hose may not be the most labor-intensive or physical task, but it is time-consuming. With Trigger, you can quickly and easily work with split loom or other split sleeve style products, including Tifco's armor sleeve. Tifco's trigger installation tool is available in 5 sizes for different diameters of split loom. Part number 44685 is the 1/4 inch size, part number 44686 is a 1/2 inch size, and 44687 is a 3/4 inch size. Part number 44688 is the 1 inch size, and 44689 is an 1.5 inches in diameter. The 3 smallest trigger sizes, cable ties, and a split loom cutter are available in a handy pack, part number 86186. Part number 44502 includes all 5 trigger sizes in a plastic case.